Hi gang, welcome back to our channel. So today I have an amazing video set up for you guys today. I'm going to be pranking Sephora. Now I don't want to tell you what the prank is, I just want you guys to see. I hope you enjoy it. She's right next door, so if I'm whispering, I hope you can hear me. She's in the living room. I'm really going to try to kill it. I got this. Team Anika, let's go. You're probably never going to see a prank from Sephora because she's just like a nice soul. Me on the other hand, I'm horrible. Okay, so let's get it. Prank wars, prank wars, prank wars, prank wars. I hope you enjoy the video. You see it now? Yes. So did you text me today?
I love your smile. He's like,
Did you text me today?
why is both your stomachs hurting?
Maybe the food.
Text me in there. Oh, my stomach really hurts.
Oh my, does your stomach hurt? Because mine doesn't. No.
Sephora!
What?
Sephora!
What? What? Oh my
I
god.
coughed the blood, Sephora.
Calm down. Okay, like I'm gonna call 911. She should calm down. Can you breathe?
Yes.
So calm yourself. Breathe normally. Stop.
What happened?
I'm sorry.
Listen to me and stop. Because the more you act upset now, call 911, Gigi.
Don't call 911, are you stupid?
I'm calling 911. Stop. And the more you scream, it's not good for
Okay,
your
but
body.
don't call 911, are you stupid? What are you doing?
Are you guys stupid?
Sephora, do not call 911, give me a second, it's a prank! Don't cry! Don't cry! Don't cry! Oh, freak! I freaked up, guys. Okay, that's too far. What? Okay, we shouldn't do pranks. We shouldn't do the pranks. I'm joking, but why were you so calm and like proper?
Oh my god, Aisha, where's the camera?
Right there.
You move.
Did I go too far? I'm sorry. Come on, but yo, Team Anika, come close and get her face. She's actually crying. You're pretty though. At least you look pretty. Was it too far?
She hates you.
Sephora, it's fake blood. Look at my hand.
Sephora, she already told me she's gonna prank you. So
Wow, it's okay. You're so amazing. Stay calm, like freaking Greek anatomy. What the hell is this?
Wait, show me your tears.
What
Is
the
it
hell
actually-
is this? Why were you so calm?
Okay, can I have a tissue? No. $1.
Yeah, no, too far. Okay, come.
listen, that was the craziest. Wow.
You called 911. You're so dumb.
Did they call
Did
me
they
back?
call you back? Because they'll show up.
They'll show up from your
They'll
phone.
show
How
up.
do I call them?
No. If they didn't, don't call back and be like, yo, is it a real emergency? You are like, are you dumb? Are you calling 911? Umi's gonna be mad at me. I'm scared.
Oh
She already
my
told me
God.
about this crap.
I told her. Because you said your stomach was hurting. I remember you had the problem with your stomach.
Yeah.
Yo, that was the craziest. Yo, Anika.
Throw this out so it doesn't go in my
Was
cabinet.
it a good prank though?
Clutch, Anika. That's yo. That's
You
I'm
cried?
Done. I'm done. Guys, she got me so good. I thought it was done. I'm like, she's gonna die.
I feel
All
bad,
the
though.
things that
I always
went through
cried
my
when
head.
you cried.
Yo, I feel like you're like a child to me. So through my brain, I was like, okay, stay calm. Don't freak her out because then her adrenaline is gonna get worse.
Yeah.
I was like, how am I gonna tell Umi?
You acted
Okay, but
so
why are you panicking about me and Abu? I'm
I
fine.
was like, did she eat glass? I was
There was a lot of blood on the hands.
that was so scary. That was so realistic.
Wait, guys,
Where
let's.
did you get that blood?
Party City.
What?
I have issues with it.
How do you feel?
Okay, guys, she obviously got
actually-
me.
you
She got
cried.
me.
Sweet
I
Anika.
literally, okay, Team Anika. I literally thought,
You have to do it.
guys, I thought she was.
Anika, and that point because she's like Team Anika.
I literally thought that it was like done. I'm like, what am I gonna tell my mom and my dad? Like, I thought, okay, she's dying, we're gonna have to go to the hospital. Did she have a tumor? Did she swallow glass? Like, woo!
But you actually cried. She really did
Yeah,
get
I
you,
did
eh?
cry. My makeup's messed. Look, all
That's so
Police
sad.
called back.
Oh yeah, the police.
Show
called
them,
back,
please show them.
And they're like, we have to lie and tell them it was our
They're
nephew.
like, get your freaking nephew off the phone. Like,
Wait, it didn't
He's
focus.
tying up our lines.
Emergency. They called back. Private number right there.
Yeah,
right
I
at
called
3:31
they called
p.m. and then
back.
3:35.
We're
they
so-
But
called
what if
back.
that really was an emergency? 4 minutes is not too good. They need
So
they need
Sephora,
to-
applaud Sephora for calling emergency and saving
Yo, Team
Anika.
Anika. Team Anika. Again, she got me, but don't worry, I'm coming back.
Yes, come
You
back
better
with
watch
the.
your back, Anika. Okay, love you guys. Bye.
you have not one man.